Good morning, everyone! We are here today at WolfX 2026 at the SMX Convention Center, Pasay City. And I am Patty from Condor POS, a marketing intern, and I will tour you today in our booth and for today's event. So if you're not yet registered, you can scan this QR code right here and register to visit our booth and to also showcase the different events here at WolfX 2026. So, tara na, let's go! So we are here right now at the gate F4. So this will be our basis to go into our booth very easily. So tara, pasok na tayo. Let's go. Ayan. So pagkapasok po natin here, you will see a barrage of different brands already welcoming you into the event. So this event is very lively. Marami na pong tao as early as 11 to 10 a.m. So for today, we can see here na meron pong brand here named Gordos. So this would be our location that we will use as the pin or the mark on how we can go to our booth there at Condor. So, tara, let's go. From Gordos here, from the F4, dadire-diretsuhin lang po natin siya. And as you can see, pagkapasok mo pa lang, you will be welcomed by a lot of brands already. And you can check a lot of products here ranging from appliances to ceramics and even foods like coffee, pastries, and many, many more. So, tara, lakad lang po tayo. Dire-diretso lang po tayo from Gordos. Ayan. Medyo marami lang po tao. So, excuse me na lang po. And then, ayun. Let's go here. Dire-diretso lang po tayo from Gordos. And if you see here, this booth, shot, and Astoria over there at the very end of the hall, dire-diretsuhin lang po natin yan. And when we enter the Astoria's booth, we just have to make a right turn to visit Condor POS's very own booth at booth 2155 here at the SMS Convention Pasay City. So ayan, tara, dire-diretso lang tayo, yes? Ayan, reaching here at Astoria, makikita na natin agad ang bungad na ating booth here at Condor with a very bright and alive blue here. So, upon entering our booth, we have many staffs that you can approach. One here is Miss Lay. Miss Lay, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Lay Ordinado, Sales Executive of Condor POS Solutions.
Ayan, thank you, Ma'am Lay. Over here, we can also meet a lot of our other staffs, like Sir Dexter over here. Sir Dexter, can you say hi to our video?
Hi.
Ayun, we also have here Miss Regina. Can you please say hi to our video po?
Hi!
Ayan. And lastly, we have here also Sir Mao. So, Sir Mao, hi naman po kayo sa video po.
Hi, guys.
Ayan. Pero syempre, ang pinunta natin sa booth na to, aside from the tour, is to know ano nga bang ino-offer namin. So, let's go to our very first worker over here, si Ma'am Lay. So, Ma'am Lay, can you tell us po, what do we expect or what are we offering here in our booth for today's event?
Okay, for this event, we have an exclusive promo up to 40% discount on all POS packages. Okay, so we have 40% discount on on all our POS package here, only exclusive at WAFEX 2026. So come and visit our booth. I can also show you the package that we have. So we have here the Breeze with dual display, with printer, with barcode printer as well, and the kitchen display system. So this one is a full setup for our quick service or the mga pay-as-you-order setup. Also, we have this one as option para dun sa mga gusto is compact and space saver. We have here the Bumblebee built with built-in printer po kasi itong all-in-one na ito. So from the other side, we also have other setup. So come, let me show you all of our setup here today at So we have here on the other side of the booth, we have the retail setup. So for the retail, we have the all-in-one. We have the receipt printer, keyboard and mouse, barcode scanner, and the customer display so that the customer can see the total amount of their purchases. So this setup is for retail. So mga grocery, mga supermarket, mga clothing store, this one is the best setup for your businesses. So this setup naman is, this one is all-in-one, keyboard and mouse as well, receipt printer, bar printer or kitchen printer, and the KDS. So this printer is designed or customized for the environment of the kitchen. Since medyo